Welcome to Indie Radio Newsreel. I am Prajakta and you are listening to the news updates for 5th August 2024. Here are the international news updates for today. Bangladesh PM Hasina resigns, interim government to run country. Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's 15-year rule of the country ended today as she fled weeks of deadly protests. The military announced it would form an interim government. She had sought since early July to quell nationwide protests against her government, but she fled after a brutal day of unrest today in which nearly 100 people died. She took off in a military helicopter to India. Ms. Hasina had taken office for her fourth straight 5-year term as the country's prime minister in January. Calls for foreigners to leave Lebanon as war fears grow. Several countries have urged their nationals to leave Lebanon as fears grow of a wider conflict in the Middle East. Iran has vowed severe retaliation against Israel, which it blames for the death of Hamas political chief Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran on Wednesday. Israel has not commented. His assassination came hours after Israel killed Hezbollah senior commander Fuad Shukr in Beirut. Western officials fear that Hezbollah, an Iran-backed militia and political movement based in Lebanon, could play a key role in any such retaliation, which in turn could spark a serious Israeli response. A growing number of flights have been cancelled or suspended at the country's only commercial airport in Beirut. The US, the UK, Australia, France, Canada, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Turkey, and Jordan are among the countries to have urged their citizens to leave Lebanon as soon as possible. Mexican journalist killed while under police protection. A Mexican journalist who reported on violent crime has been killed while under police protection. Unknown gunmen shot Alejandro Martinez as he was traveling in a car with 2 security guards in the central state of Guanajuato. Mr. Martinez, who was known as the son of the Lone Ranger, died in hospital from the bullet wounds he sustained in the attack. Mexico is one of the world's most dangerous countries for journalists, with over 150 media workers killed since 1994, according to campaign group Reporters Without Borders. Now to the national news stories. Minister says no new permanent structures allowed in eco-sensitive zones. No new permanent structures shall be permitted in eco-sensitive zones of forest reserve area and forest lands as per a Supreme Court order, Union Environment Minister informed the Lok Sabha today. The development is significant because the Standing Committee for the National Wildlife Board and the Forest Advisory Committee get several proposals to locate various projects in parts of eco-sensitive zones. Kirtivardhan Singh, Minister of State for Environment, made the statement while responding to a question on whether, as per the directions of the Supreme Court and the National Green Tribunal, that is NGT, there is a ban on construction of hotels, resorts, etc. inside buffer zones of any forest reserve area, forest land, etc., along with the catchment and submergence areas of lakes. AAP will contest all 36 Mumbai seats in Maharashtra Assembly polls. The Aam Aadmi Party or AAP will contest the Maharashtra Assembly polls and field candidates on all 36 seats in Mumbai, its leader Preeti Sharma Menon said today. Addressing a press conference, she also said that the Arvind Kejriwal-led AAP was part of the opposition India bloc, but she added that the alliance was for the Lok Sabha polls and will continue to be together at the national level. All train operations to Bangladesh suspended by Indian Railways. Indian Railways today suspended all train operations to Bangladesh amid the unrest in the neighbouring country. Indigo and Air India have also cancelled their flights from India to Bangladesh capital Dhaka. The Border Security Force has put the Indo-Bangladesh border on high alert for the next 48 hours starting today. Security and patrolling have been increased to ensure that any infiltration or illegal entry of any national is thwarted. India has refused to comment on the developments in Bangladesh so far. Thank you for listening to Indie Radio Newsreel. For more news, audiobooks and podcasts, stay tuned to Indie Radio or log on to www.indiejournal.in. Also consider subscribing to listen to our premium shows.